You always start with equal to invoke formulas, okay, function equal. What is the slope? Then look at this. First argument is what? Y-axis. Second one, x-axis, okay? So you shouldn't be confused. What should be y-axis? Portfolio excess return. Okay, what should be on x-axis? Market excess return. Okay, market should go always what? X-axis. Okay, market should always go on x-axis. So first argument, y-axis should be what? Then portfolio return, which is this one. X-axis should be also what? Always market excess return. So y-axis, the portfolio return. X-axis, market excess return. Slope function. So it's beta, same, isn't it? Beta. The most simplest method, just using this function, slope function. What about intercept here? The alpha is using intercept. Also say that y values first and then x values. There should be comma. Y values, return on portfolio, x value, always market return. Okay. See that alpha is also same. Simplest method. So for your project, you have to report this formula, okay, formulas, calculation. Second method, you don't necessarily have to do this, okay, which is simple. But you must report this formula method, right? Formula method based on this. Also has to do with your final exam. Third method is using scale plot and regression line. So you should have scale plot first, right here, and then right click. And what we see here, add a trend line. Trend line is regression line. Okay, you click it. Then click linear. The straight line, linear. And here, display equation. Display equation. That's it. Then close it. So you have this equation over here. Then what do you see? Sure. Slope, this slope, the same as our values, slope. And intercept, this one intercept, the same as our alpha value. Okay. So this is the third method using scalar plot and add trend line. So in your report, in this case, that's this third method. Okay. In your report, please also include this scalar plot and this regression method. Okay, because it's conceptually good. But mathematical calculation, you also have to use this based on the calculation based on formula as well. Now about I erased that. Decomposition of total risk into form market risk and form specific risk. Okay. So market risk is equal to beta square times variance of excess market return. I erased that. So beta square and excess return on the market, beta square. Right. So this is the variability, variance caused by what? Market events. Right. So total market risk variance is 142.7%. Right. But how much is caused by market events? This much. Obviously, the remaining part, difference between those two, should be caused by form specific risk. So here, form specific risk is difference between total risk and market specific risk. Market risk. This is the variance. Okay, this is the variance caused by form specific risk. Variance. You want to see the predicted part and error part? Optional.
Sure.
Where are you going to see this one? This is the, I believe it is only okay. So, predicted return, and here error. So predicted return, how do you calculate this? This first part of, this is a predicted return part, is it? Predicted return part. So that's going to be, see this? Alpha, here alpha, okay. Alpha and plus beta times market excess return. Yeah, that's prediction, right? Alpha plus beta times market excess return. That's the predicted part, right? This one. But actual return is what? 13. This is predicted return. So error should be the remaining part, right? Difference between actual and predicted return. This is error. Okay, error. So do this way. So here, alpha, this one, alpha plus beta times market excess return, B4. Prediction and error. Right. So here, let's make sure average. Let's find out average. Average of error should be 0, isn't it? Somebody asked this question. Average of error. It's 0. Okay? So mathematical procedure guarantee that 0 error. 0 error. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. So let's find out variance of this error. Of the error should be equal to what? This one, isn't it? This one. Equal. This one and this. So this mathematical procedure is very reliable. Why? The error is 0 and the variance of error is minimized. Right, so I'll upload this one in Canvas. All right, so this will be very important for your case analysis. Please come back by 30